Because lemongrass leaves are super paper thin sharp, they're only used for its essence, for its aroma. So what my mom and I like to do is to bind the leaves into bundles like this. So my mom's an expert and she will show you how she does it. It's pretty easy as long as you get the groove and keep practicing it. Now if you're scared of cutting your fingers during this process, go ahead and wear gloves, but because we'll let this sit out overnight and let it wilt, it is actually a lot more flexible for us to use, and the sharpness of the leaves have dulled down, so it's a lot easier for us to actually use it. Okay. And here we have this beautiful lemongrass leaf bundle. Now the more you do this, the more you'll perfect this, and it's actually going to be very easy. Once we finish binding all of them, we're going to place it into a Ziploc bag, and then we're going to stick it in the freezer and just take it out whenever we want to use it for cooking.